Hello my darlings, on today's tutorial I'll show you how to glue on these Hotfix rhinestones on this satin fabric using an iron. On my previous tutorial I showed you how to glue these Hotfix rhinestones on a lace, on tulle and satin fabric using Hotfix Applicator tool, this tool, but on today's tutorial I'll show you how to iron on these Hotfix rhinestones on a satin. So for today's tutorial I'll be using an iron, Hotfix rhinestones, satin fabric, and I'll be using ironing board which I have put on my table. Next I will drop these Hotfix rhinestones on my satin fabric like that, and I'm using this rhinestone picker tool to turn around these rhinestones which have black glue on a flat side at the back. So this is the rhinestone, and I'll be placing these rhinestones into position like that. As you can see, I'm using metal tip ends on this picker tool to turn around rhinestones to the right side, so the black glue is facing down and the silver side is facing up. Now I'm positioning these rhinestones into position all over this satin fabric like that. Next I'm using this pillowcase and I will place this pillowcase on top of these rhinestones. So I'm placing this pillowcase all over those rhinestones like that. I'm setting my iron to number 2 heat and I'm ironing this pillowcase top. And basically what I'm doing, I'm ironing these rhinestones on top of the satin fabric, and the pillowcase is just protecting the satin fabric because the iron is really hot. And this is how it looks. Next I'm setting my iron on number 1 heat and I will iron these rhinestones directly. So I'm ironing these rhinestones with my iron on top like that, so the rhinestones are glued on this satin fabric properly, and this is how it looks. Next I'm turning this satin fabric to the wrong side and I'm ironing those rhinestones so they are touched properly like that. So here are first rhinestones glued on this satin fabric. Just testing if they are glued on properly, and they are. So they are glued on this satin fabric really securely, as you can see here. Second method how to apply these rhinestones on a fabric is using picker tool wax side and apply these rhinestones individually like this. And then I glue them on for approximately 1 minute each section so they are attached properly, all of the rhinestones. So I haven't glued this section yet. I have cut the triangle there because I will make a hair bow from this satin pattern piece. I'm ironing all of these rhinestones on top of the satin piece like that, so they are glued on properly, all of them. And this is how it looks. All of the rhinestones are glued on now. I will iron once more all over these rhinestones so they are glued on properly on the right side like that. And I'm turning this button to the wrong side and I'm ironing this button on the wrong side once more. And here's my finished pattern piece, and it looks like that. As you can see, all of the rhinestones are glued on really securely. If you have any questions how to glue on these Hotfix rhinestones on a fabric, please comment down below in the comment box. I will add all materials which I used on this tutorial in the description box. On my next video I'll show you how to make this sailor bow from this satin rhinestone fabric. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.